For anchor hole repair, you'll need the following tools. First, the damaged area has to be cleaned of dirt using the scraper. Depending on the desired diameter, insert the alu cone or the AS conical tube into the anchor hole. In the next step, preheat and weld the anchor hole around the cone using the welding device. Allow the welded area to cool down for about 2 minutes. After cooling, remove the cone. Remove the excess material with the paint stripper. In the final step, strip the repaired area with the scraper and the paint scraper to achieve a smooth surface. In just a few steps, the alkus solid plastic panel is ready for use again.